All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Interpersonal. 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 The relationships and communication between people. Here we are. So the communication between people. He has good interpersonal skills. He can communicate easily. So he needs to work on his interpersonal skills. Very good. She has amazing interpersonal skills. Yeah. It is a good book to help you with your interpersonal skills. Yeah. How cool is that? I think that being good at interpersonal things is quite useful. Yeah. I, she, it, he, they need to work on their interpersonal skills. It was quite bad. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, how cool is that? So their interpersonal abilities are improving. So they are getting better and their interpersonal skills are on point. Yeah, they know what to do. Yeah. How cool is that? So his interpersonal skills have really grown. I'm improving my interpersonal skills. Yeah. By improving your interpersonal skills, you can be better at communicating and talking with people. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So how will your interpersonal abilities change over time? So by as your language skills get better, so would your interpersonal skills, because you can talk with people and share your ideas easier. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so interpersonal skills. Yeah. So can you use interpersonal in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.